Ah, so watching Scooby-Doo, aren't we?
We're not.
Oh, I want to share some cookies.
I don't want no cookies.
We're bonding, aren't we?
No. Have you cancelled my holiday ticket?
No, Freddie, you come in whether you like it or not.
Why?
Freddie, you're part of the family.
Yeah, well, what if someone doesn't want to come?
That's just me and Neil Pedro eating them. Freddie! Turn that off! Turn it off! No! I'm not coming up! No! Oh, believe me. You did.
Joey, can't just win a ticket. I don't want to come.
You want a cookie?
No, I don't want a fucking cookie.
Oi!
Anyway, cancel my plane ticket. I don't
Right,
want
can we
to
talk about this later? We're watching Smurf.
Yeah, well, I'm not. I'm playing this.
No phone. Freddie, you know the rules.
For God's sake, what am I meant to do then?
You're just gonna pull the stunt like that, blasting Ori Henry theme song out loud. Volume 100.
You mean to?
Freddie, yes you did. Stop saying I didn't mean to.
Okay, this is what's gonna happen. You are gonna cancel me.
No, this is what's gonna happen from me. You're gonna sit down, shut up, and watch this with us.
Why should I just...
Because people who actually want to watch this, like me and Pedro.
And what? And me and Sweet won't aim to take his glasses off because it
Just
doesn't...
right!
Stop shouting at me!
For God's sake.
Yeah, drama. I'm gonna go for a piss.
Alright, stop. Oh, you better not be on that phone.
I'm not. Just let me mind your business. Sit and watch this.
Yeah, but you better not be blasting out up.
Okay.
Oh, you're so disrespectful.
You are.
Actually, I didn't mention clowns too loudly around here.
Yes, agreed. Clowns are horrifying. I hate them with every fiber of my being.
Why? Is there a problem, Mr. Harmon? Not as Harmon. I'm the proprietor of Historic Mooney Park. We've got some trouble recently, which explains why business is not exactly booming.
What kind of trouble? Please don't say clown trouble. Out of respect for the fibers of my being.
Well, years ago, a clown called Madcap went crazy right there in the fun house. Madcap took to saying, slang and laughter a little too literally, if you know what I mean. They finally locked him up in a prison for the dangerously comedic.
No.
Give me the phone!
No.
Now!
Stop shouting at me. You're too old for this. You're 16 and you're watching this.
Shut up.
You shut up.
At least I want. Oh, you've.
What?
Get the blanket off.
Alright.
You've kicked Pedro.
Why don't you cancel our ticket?
Right, shut up. I've told you I'll have this conversation with you later.
Yeah, I said as well.
We're not having it that now.
Yeah, no. Oh, shit, sorry. I'm gonna go make a cup of coffee.
Can I have tea, please?
What?
Have tea.
What did you say to it?
I said, can I have a tea, please?
No, you can't.
Jesus Christ.
Alright, say in a nice way. Go on.
Can I have a cup of tea, please?
Yeah.
Oi! Give that back! No! No! You dare not! Serve you right! To Freddie. Where's Candy? Yeah, guess what? Freddie's just fell on top of the stairs and smashed his head on the door trying to get away from me. Serves him right. Oi!
Stop shouting.
You're just mad because you got karma.
I'm not mad. I'm mad. I'm not making you a cup of tea.
Stop it.
Oh man, I just don't.
Stop!
Fine.
Oh. Right. There's 3 cookies left if you want some.
No, I don't. What was that? Don't interact with me.
Monster High School with secrets. Gorgeous oasis. Unlock the suitcase to unpack screen-worthy surprises. Fantastic scare accessories. Create
Is that what it is?
Wow.
I don't think I'm a part of the family because you kicked me out.
Well, you are, but you just can't act mature.
Yeah, but what if I don't want to come?
Freddie, how many times?
You don't just pay for someone who don't want to come.
I've just said I'll have this conversation with you later. Can you stop?
Yeah, can you just stop interacting with me?
Right, stop. Right, anyway.
Yeah, sure.
No, oh, right. Oh my God, can we stop arguing?
Yes, don't talk to me. I'm gonna go make that coffee.
Alright, but you're not having this phone.
Yeah, I know. I'm not making you tea. I'm not making you a cup of tea.
Can I have a glass of milk, please?
What?
Can I have a glass of milk, please? I've got a heartburn.
Is that you, Zoe?
Yes, what are you on about?
Well, you
Is that me?
You come and make it out.
No, Freddie, I can't trust you. You're going to grab that phone.
No, I'm not gonna.
Oh, Freddie, just do it. It's a simple task.
No, actually, no, you do it.
No, Freddie, please.
No, I said no.
Oh no, I've got right heartburn.
Get up and do what you said then.
No,
I'm not doing it because
Freddie,
you shouted at me.
please. Oh, for God's
No,
sake.
Zoe, no, we shouldn't have been offering them cookies like
Freddie, it's
that.
not like you're bothered about watching this. Because you're not bothered about watching it anyway, because you're not bothered about watching it in the first place. So what about you?
No!
Oh, for God's sake, can somebody please?
No, after I just spoken, so no chance.
No.
Fine, I'll do it, Zoe.
See, Freddie?
Shut up, Pedro, no one minds.
Oi! Stop!
Tell him to mind his business. Yeah.
Cool. Mm-hmm. That clown's terrifying.
Shouldn't have been wolfing them cookies like a pig then.
No, it's from breakfast. Oh, nine.
Lemonade.
Line it up. At least I follow my own orders. Big ship size you have. What are you doing here? Nothing. Sorry. I thought you were a scary clown. Clarabelle Real Estate.
What did you just do there? Pedro, what did he do? He just coughed in the cocky bowl. You better not have. That is disgusting.
I'm not scared of you.
That is... Get over to your room, I've had it.
Well, I don't live here. It's not my room.
We'll just get out, Freddie.
No, I'm saying here. I'm going to be quiet.
That... You can eat them now because it's got your cough on.
No, I don't want. So I don't eat cookies.
That is disgusting. I'm appalled at that. I'm absolutely disgusted. Dirty sod.
Oh, dirty woman.
Oi! Stop.
What? You never have a shower?
Oh, I do. Stop that. You dare. You dare.
No, I'm not.
Don't you dare.
I'm going to push him back a bit.
You're asking the wrong person. When I was 5,
Stop.
Sorry, I'm pushing him back.
they did text. I've always been 52. Weird.
Martin's actually get one, actually.
Stop!
Stop hitting me. How do you like it? You do not hit me, Zoe.
Stop!
Yeah.
What are you looking out the window for? You better not have ordered a pizza.
I've not mind your business. I'm just looking if it's raining or not.
We don't have takeaways in daytime, Zoe.
Yeah, exactly. We don't.
It's just funny that it's Friday now.
Zoe,
You're
just
suspiciously
shut up.
looking
Just
out the
mind your
window.
business. Look at your telly.
Oi! Watch it.
You watch it. You done with that stupid milk?
Stop.
It's very cloudy out here today. Pedro, stop dancing. Pedro! Pedro!
Oh, Freddie, it's not affecting you in any way, is it?
Yeah, no. You're just trying to wind me up and I'm not dancing for you, Pedro.
Oh, have you farted, Freddie? It stinks.
No.
Oh my god.
No, I
Oh
haven't.
god.
Pedro, stop. Yeah.
Think I'll move this?
Stop, Pedro, you idiot.
I know what you were after.
Go it, mind your business. Stop interfering. Just watch your stupid telly. You let him wind me up to the point, Zoe.
Mm.
Yeah, hang on. You don't even care about your son anymore, do you? don't care about me anymore, Zoe.
Stop.
You don't love me, do you?
Stop!
I'm sorry you don't like me, Zoe.
Stop.
Where you at, Zoe?
Freddie.
What? You don't care.
Right.
You don't care.
Shut up!
You should.
Freddie! It's only a few minutes left. Come on, just be quiet.
Yeah, you be quiet. Tell that idiot to be quiet
Right.
as well.
But we are certainly not going to show him giving up. This one right here, Wayne, represents the future.
Really? Wow.
For the sake of the future of the world, we have to stop a clown. Stuff in class is good. Go on. We've been all over this park.
Put that down.
I'm just looking what it is.
It's time we got the
What
job
do you
on
care
hand.
anyway? Just what do you tell me?
Put it right. It's upside down. Oi! Put it down nicely!
Stop shouting.
Oh, you... Oi!
No, I'm having it back. I'm not going to play on it.
No!
It's in my pocket.
And it... Ow! I'm just wiping my leg!
Stop shouting at me.
Do that! Try and get that! Oh, you aggressive little fucker! Oh! Oh, my knee. Ow.
What's going on, sir?
Where the hell are you? Oh my god. I can't even watch something telly.
Oh, my knee. So it's alright.
Freddie, I've just bashed my knee on that right hard trying to get to you and... Ow. No, don't laugh.
I'm not.
And you wonder why I kicked your out.
Yeah, I wanted to be kicked out. I'm not laughing at you.
Stop! For God's sake. Can't even watch some... Ow. Oh my god, that hurts so much. Freddie, I'm in pain. You've just...
I am. My head hurts. My head hurts.
No, that would have happened if you couldn't...
Ow. Ow. Ow, yeah. Ow. Ow.
You know about when you fell over and banged it earlier? Oh, shut up. Being dramatic. Freddie!
What is that got to mean when you're in pain?
Ow. God, it hurts.
Ow. 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 Ow.
Look at that mark on my leg. Freddie, shut up. Freddie. Freddie, stop making that noise.
No, it hurts. Ow. Ow. Pedro sits on my head.
No, weirdo. Kyo.
No, just sits.
Stop.
No, no.
Oh, Freddie, you don't hurt that much, surely.
Ow, my brain. Ow.
Because you haven't been moaning last 10 minutes, like.
Mine's just going to have brain surgery.
No, stop it, being stupid. It's...
How's your knee feeling?
Well, it's bruised, look. Now, get off. Don't touch me with that. No, Freddie.
Here's what's gonna. You are gonna cancel the plane.
No, shut. Oh my god, I'm going to talk to you about that later. Stop.
Okay, no, darling.
Kyo. Kyo.
Do it.
Stop. Oh my god. Stop. Put Pedro down.
What? For God's sake, me pain.
Take these pots in, Freddie. Freddie, yo, it's not that. Freddie! Stop!
I can't do it, me brain.
Oh, shut up. It's not that bad.
No, your knee's not even bad. Oh. My fucking head. My fucking head.
Oi!
What?
Oh, so what, but now you've joined us. You're only we watched the last bit when you could have watched the whole thing with us.
Oh, my fucking head. So it hurts. Oh. Ow. Ow, my head.
Freddie, shut up!
So you shut up, you banged your knee.
Oh, I've just missed that now because of you and your fucking mouth.
You and your mouth. Anyway, what's going to happen is you're going to give me the phone back in a minute.
Yeah, well, I will.
So I'm in pain. I need to watch something.
Oh, Gio, you're not in pain. Stop moaning.
You're not, because you're not moaning.
But he's a scary bad clown.
All clowns are scary and bad. I think that's
Oh.
established by this time.
Ow. I'm in so much pain.
Oh, shut up. For God's sake.
Oh shit, I need some plate on my pain. Ow. 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 Ow.
Freddie! Oh my God.
Ow!
Freddie! Stop! Oh, for God's sake, have the phone back.
Ow!
Freddie!
No,
Stop!
Okay.
Bye.